two stars, P and Q, are observed from Earth. The intensity of radiation from P is less than that from Q. The parallax angle for P is greater than that for Q. Which row of the table is correct? We need compare distance from Earth for P and Q, and we need compare luminosities. So if we say about distance from Earth, and since parallax angle is involved, we know formula it is given in a data booklet, and it says the distance is 1 over the parallax angle, and it's quite clear that since the parallax angle for P is greater, hence distance for P is less, so P is closer than Q. Quite easy. Then, if we say about intensity and luminosity, we know another formula, B. It's the apparent brightness is equal to L. L is luminosity divided by 4 pi d squared. What does it mean? L, it's luminosity. Luminosity is the same as power. Power is energy per second released by the star, and this energy is spread out over a sphere in three-dimensional space, or this energy is distributed over surface area over sphere, and surface area over sphere is 4 pi radius squared, and the distance d, which is actually radius from the star, energy per second, which is power per meter squared, and it becomes intensity, is equal to this b. So the apparent brightness is actually intensity observed on the Earth, and L is again power or luminosity released by the star, and a distance d from the star. Because you can see it's power divided by area, it becomes intensity. So intensity at distance d from the star is equal to this b, which is called the apparent brightness, and it is given that intensity of radiation from P, so it's actually the apparent brightness, this b for P is less than b for Q, and together with distance for P is less than distance for Q, and we need to compare these L values for luminosities, and L is proportional to what B, or is equal to 4 pi b d squared, and you can see that for P, B is less and D is also less, hence L for P is less than L for Q. So luminosity for P is less, or luminosity of P is less. So it's B. And that's all for this question.